this is the fork that runs on that bearing, and this is the linkage that controls the governor. Now this has been soaked in diesel, it's had electrolysis baths on everything, and it's seized solid in there, and the only thing that will make that move in there is going to be heat. So I'm going to put some heat on the cast iron bit, get it moving. I might strip it out, I don't know, it depends how it frees off. These bits are bronze. We'll put a little bit of heat on it and see if I can get it to carefully get it to move. Just on those 2 points there. Pretend you didn't see that. Snap the rope head off the wood still there. Didn't expect that to happen. Right. I may have to drive this straight through, I'm not sure. I don't want to put more grips on the end of the shaft, obviously. There is a shear pin in there which I would think will just shear off as it goes through. I'm going to clean the end of that up, polish the end of that, and then have an exploratory tap at it. It's going to come out one way or the other. The thing we haven't got to damage obviously is the casting, because that's irreplaceable I would imagine now. Put a little bit of Siemens heat into this now. Next try to go with it. I think no chance, none. More heat. Break the in without damaging that fork. One little tip is don't put the glove on, use it like a rag and you can let go of it. If you put the glove on and it gets so hot you'll burn your hand. Right, so I've just smashed the fork, you clumsy bastard, you. Right. Aye. I wasn't expecting this to be quite as problematic as this. Bloody hell. It just gets worse and worse, doesn't it, really? Yeah. Nothing more can it fix, but I could have done without that happening. I really could. I think what I may do is weld a nut onto the end of that shaft, because I can make a new shaft no problem. Weld a nut on there, then I've got something to kind of twist it by. Make a new shaft no problem at all. The roll pin, the two roll pins are in line, one through there and one through there. And we'll weld a nut on, and then we've got a nut suitably anchored on the end of there now. I'm annoyed that I broke that clutch fork, or that bearing fork. Pure clumsiness that. Okay. Right, that's moving. Now it's free in the casting, but the clutch fork's still seized on the shaft. That's the next thing to address. Empty oil can. That was a nice smell, that was on the hot metal. Right, so it's free in the casting. It looks like that roll pin lines up with that stud, so we need to take that stud out and do that now, because I've got the heat ready. Just going to get two little BSF nuts. And that stud's been there a long time. I don't want it to come out easily. Nothing's been easy with this project. I thought this was one of the last things to do, free that off and then get it blasted and put it back together. It's obviously got different ideas. Right, that wants a little bit of warmth, because no way is it going to come out without it. put all the releasing oils in the world in there and that won't come out. You don't heat the stove, you heat the metal around the stove. Come on, bastard features. Right, it's moving. Once you get it moving, keep it moving. You sometimes need to let things cool down. Sometimes it needs more heat. It's just you get a feel for things. I'm certainly got a feel for this bastard thing now. Right, out it comes. So there's no way without heat was that going to play. So hopefully I'll be able to punch the little pin out that holds that fork that will broke in and then go from there.